Alright, today we're going to go over how to put together your Double Alpha Academy Lynx outer belt. And when you place the order, it's going to come in this bag over here with all these different links here. That's how the belt comes. You're going to have to put some work in to put it together yourself. We're going to do that now. When it comes to ordering how many links you need, I'll go over that here in a little bit. Let's see, I had ordered, when I placed my order and I put the measurements in, it said I needed 31 links. I used about 28. I also ordered a buckle kit that came with the pins. Comes with an extra O-ring for the buckle and the pins to put the belt together. And this here is the buckle itself. The O-ring in the center stretches out. And this is the part that clips in from one end of the belt to the other. Just like that. All right. So we're going to put this aside here. You also get, or at least I got this pin if you need to take apart and adjust the amount of links you have in your belt. All right, first thing we're going to do is take two of these links, fit it together like so. You're going to need your punch hammer. You don't necessarily need a lot of force to put these pins in, but go ahead and grab a pin. And just make sure, there you go. It gets stuck together sometimes. Put it right through a hole, just hammer it down. All right. We do this. There's the flexibility of the belt. I'm going to go ahead and put another one on. We're going to continue doing this all along the way. Now, when you're putting it, make sure you pay attention to the Velcro side. Velcro's all got to go on the inside. All right, so here we are on the website. Now, they actually have a rig builder here that you can use to set your entire, order your entire setup, holster, magazine pouches. You go through the whole thing here, but I wasn't gonna go that route. Wanted to save a little bit of money. I have some of the equipment already anyway. You can even go here. Actually, this is where I want you to start, at the Lynx belt by DAA. This is where you enter your waist size, you measure, it gives you instructions at the top of the page. It'll tell you how many links you need to order. If you order it from here, from this part of the website, you can come down here and select what color of the links you want, totaling the amount of links that it says you need. You get different colors here. Then you have the option to add an inner belt, which buckle you'd like. When I ordered it, this ratchet buckle was out of stock. I believe looks like it's in stock now. And then the pin set. All right. But again, I didn't purchase it from here. I actually went a different route. I went and ordered individual links after I knew how many I needed. Now, notice this one comes without the pins. It says it right there in the description. We'll go ahead here. Selected the color, the amount that I needed, added it to my cart. Switch up the color if you want different colors, add however many it is to the cart. Just double check your cart, make sure you're totaling however many links you need. And from here, I actually went and ordered the buckle. Looks like this buckle is saying it doesn't come with a pin set, but when I ordered it, it had the pin set with it. So yeah, it was a different price as well. So they might not have a kit with the buckle now. You're gonna have to order the pins. You don't necessarily need that punch tool if you have a punch. If you already have punch tools, you don't need that punch that's there. But let me see if I can find it. I'm gonna go to login and I'm gonna look at my orders and see. Let's see. There's the one I ordered. Yeah, it was a set, pins, including pins. Nope. No pins, no punch tool. Yeah, so they removed that package. That's fine. This is a lot cheaper this way anyway without the punch tool. This is you get the pins on the right, $9.95, and the buckle's about $5. So about the same price, you just don't get the punch tool. All right. double check. So it still comes with the O-ring, both parts. And then if you come here, I believe I have the ratchet. So this ratchet's another type of buckle you can get. This one itself is 21. I don't know if this comes with pins or not. Doesn't say. But if you already have the pins for the belt, you should have extra. They send you a bunch. So you should have extra for the ratchet. And here it is. Here's the belt all put together. I got the inner belt right there on the left as well. I think it's about $16 unless you already have one. But I have this. I had ordered this one as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put the inner belt on and show you how it looks with it on me. Let me just remove the belt I'm wearing. Get this thing on. All right. So we got the belt all set up all the way around here. Got it over the inner belt. Now, I do have a little bit of room. Let me see if I can show you real quick. This is going to be for any, once I put the equipment on the belt, it's going to take up that room. So if you're putting it on just to see where you want the equipment, there is going to be a little bit of slack there that you'll see. Typically for right-handed shooters, you're going to want the holster on this side, mags over here. You're going to go ahead and count, figure out which link you're going to attach the equipment to, and you go from there. That's how it is. And that is the Double Alpha Academy Lynx belt system. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Before I end the video, just showing you the final product here. Got everything attached. The holster, magazine pouches, magnetic mag pouches. You can angle it any way. And this would be the setup that I'm running for now. I think the next upgrade is going to be that holster.